All right. So first, before we move to page 70, can you tell me what do you remember from previous class?
Las cosas como las calculadoras, las
Okay.
lámparas y del niño, el niño inventor,
Oh,
creo.
okay.
Ajá.
The dry bath. Okay. All right.
Y solo eso me acuerdo yo.
Okay, good. And the rest, what do you remember from previous class?
Have to.
Uh-huh. Have to and don't have to. Okay, very
Don't
good.
have to.
Mm-hmm. All right, so yeah, we were checking electronic devices such as, for example, computer, e-reader, tablet, laptop, and also we were checking gadgets, for example, calculator, remote control, the MP3 player, um, the docking station, etc. Also, we were checking about the grammar of don't have to or have to, que indicaban como buenas o malas ideas de cosas que teníamos que hacer, como indicando una necesidad de hacer algo. Okay. All right. And the reading exercise we have from previous class was about the dry bath, right? A person that invented a gel to substitute water and soap for a bath. Yes, we were checking should and shouldn't, um, which are for us to give advice, que son como para dar consejos de lo que deberíamos o no deberíamos de hacer, como you should wash your hands, you should study another language, you shouldn't go out on these days, etc. So those are for us to give advice, and we have to or don't have to when we are actually trying to indicate needs that we have. Okay, so today we're going to continue with the unit, and we're going to start with a reading exercise. But before we go to the actual reading, let's just take a look into the pictures. We have two pictures here. Both are containing kind of inventions or robots. So can you guess what is the function for each machine? De solo ver los dibujos podríamos adivinar de qué trata cada invento. What do you think? Ajá,
Del niño que está ahí,
ajá.
como que alguien inventó que bañaran a la gente.
Okay. All right. So it's a robot that is in charge of bathing
Ajá. Y
people.
la otra de que una niña,
Ajá.
una cama que flota en el agua, no sé, algo así le entiendo.
Okay. Out in bed. Okay. To make the life easier. Okay. Thank you very much, Kathy. All right. So these are the ideas that we have just by watching the pictures. So now we're going to actually read the product reviews on a website from the year. Do you know how to read this year? ¿Cómo se lee ese año?
Ese año, 2016 o 2076, 60, de ahí no me acuerdo cómo dice 66.
Ajá. Okay,
Bueno, me
yeah.
quedo con la primera.
Okay, good. Someone can tell me how to read 66? ¿Cómo se lee 66 in English?
Ya me acordé, 66.
66.
66.
Recuerden, los años en inglés se pueden leer de dos formas. o leemos de dos en dos los números, es decir, 2066, o lo decimos de corrido 2066. Okay, both options are possible, and of course, both options will be widely spread um, throughout English. Okay, so we can use both. Okay, 2066 or 2066. So we're going to read, and then we're going to discuss what is their real function. Okay. All right, so let's see. Let's try to listen to it.
I bought the Sunny Star robot 2 weeks ago. It does everything for me in the morning. I don't have to do anything. It wakes me up with a nice song. I don't have to get out of bed myself. It helps me to get out of bed and carries me to the shower. Then it washes my face and brushes my teeth. It makes my bed and packs my bags for school. But you should be careful. You must not use it on rainy days. Sunny Star gets very angry when it rains. Then it only turns the cold water on when it puts you in the shower.
Okay, that was the first one, right, about the Sunny Star robot. And then let's read the other one. Do you like visiting other countries? Yes? Then Travel Plus is perfect for you. You don't have to have a lot of money, and you don't have to get up in the morning. It looks like a bed. It has a computer. You only have to type the name of a city and it flies you there. You can stay in bed and you can have breakfast there too. But don't tell your teachers. They would take it away from you. Oh, and there's one more thing you should know. You must not forget to turn Travel Plus off at night. Do you know why? Because it wants to travel day and night. It waits until you're sleeping and then it starts traveling. You might wake up at the North Pole or in the middle of the ocean. All right, so those are the reviews for the both robots. So now that we have actually read the descriptions and the reviews, can you tell what is their actual function? Like, for example, the Sunny Star robot. Was it true that it helps you taking a bath? Ujú. ¿Qué es lo que hace el Sunny Star robot? Ujú. ¿Qué hace el Sunny Star robot?
Todo, creo. Todo.
Ajá.
Que dice que no hace nada en la mañana, o sea, el muchacho no hace nada en la mañana, entonces supongo que el robot hace todo.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So the Sunny Star robot, it's a helper that will help you clean, that will help you take a bath. It would well wake you up, etc. Okay. And what about the Travel Plus? What does the Travel Plus do? Uh-huh. ¿Qué hace el Travel Plus? Mhm. You can tell me what does the Travel Plus do?
Es como una computadora que la lleva a viajar al mundo, que ella controla qué ciudad o país va a ir.
Okay, very good. So it helps you. Ajá, sirve para dormir porque es una cama y también viaja y la lleva a diferentes lados. Okay, it travels and takes you to different parts of the world. Y por supuesto es uno quien decide a dónde quiere ir. Okay, all right, good. So now that we have like a better idea of what does each invention do, let's try to answer a couple of questions. All right, so we need to match this. We have the questions, and then on the other hand, we have the answers. So we need to check the answer, the correct answer for each. It's okay, Kathy, don't worry. All right, so question number 1. What's the first thing that Sunny Star does for you in the morning? First option, it turns on the cold water in the shower. You must not forget to switch it off at night. It wakes you up, I'm sorry, in the morning with a nice song. When you use Sunny Start on rainy days, Travel Plus does it for you. You don't have to get out of bed. Which one would be the best answer for question number 1?
It wakes you up in the morning with a nice song.
It wakes you up in the morning with a nice song. Very good. All right, thank you, honey. All right, so that's the answer for question number 1. What about question number 2? When does Sunny Star create problems? When does Sunny Start create problems?
You don't have to get out of bed.
Not quite. Another try. Es como, ¿cuándo es que da problemas el Sunny Start?
Number 4.
Number 4, when you use Sunny Start on rainy days. Okay, very good. All right, great. And then question number 3. What does Sunny Star do when it's angry? What does Sunny Star do when it's angry? What happens when the robot is angry?
Travel Plus does it for you.
Not quite. Another try?
Number 1.
Number 1, it turns on the cold water in the shower. Okay, good. All right, so what does Sunny Star do when it's angry? ¿Qué es lo que hace Sunny Star, que es el robot, cuando está enojado? Enciende el agua fría de la regadera. Okay? All right. Then number 4. What don't you have to do when you use Travel Plus? ¿Qué es lo que no debemos hacer cuando tenemos en uso el Travel Plus? What is it that we don't have to do? Number 2, you must not forget to switch it off at night. Yeah, that's an option, but we're going to use this answer for another question, which is kind of similar. So another one that can also work for this. Let's see. This is very good. Is the last one. You don't have to get out of bed. Vamos a identificar la respuesta porque tenemos don't you have to y acá igual tenemos don't have to. Okay, so we're using actually the same. All right. And then last question says, what must you never forget to do? Okay, in this case, number 5, travel. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, so why don't you have to get up in the morning? Travel Plus does it for you. And what must you never forget to do? You must not forget to switch it off at night. Entonces, cuando tenemos preguntas usando don't have to, la respuesta va a tener don't have to. Si la pregunta incluye must, we are going to answer with must. If question has should, then answer should include should. Okay? All right, but this is just a series of questions for us to have a better idea of the reading. So I don't know if there is any question that you may have in regards of the reading in here. Is there any vocabulary that it's not that clear and that you would like to check? Regresemos un poquito nuevamente a la lectura para ver el vocabulario. ¿Hay algunas palabras que quisieran verificar? Both. Okay. So both is actually the past tense of the verb to buy. Es como compré. So both past tense of buy. Any other word? Any other word you would like to check? Teeth. Teeth is the plural form of tooth. Son los dientes. Como, por ejemplo, pasta de dientes se dice toothpaste, porque tooth es el singular y significa un diente, pero teeth es plural, dientes. Okay? Any other word you would like to check? No other word? No other word? Okay. Flies. Let me check where is the word. Fly, fly, flies. Oh my God, what is it? Okay, here. The verb is to fly, que significa volar. Pero cuando dice it flies you, es como te lleva ahí, pero indica que lo lleva volando. Okay, so it flies you there es como te lleva volando. Careful means cuidadoso o be careful como ten cuidado. All right, so let's see where it is. Let's see. Oh, I cannot find a word. But yeah, careful es tener cuidado. Thing es cosa. All right. Any other word? Until. Until es hasta. Como espera hasta que esté dormido. Okay. All right. Any other word? Middle, medio. Like in the middle of, en medio de. So that is the meaning of middle. Okay. Any other word? No other word? Wait es esperar. Entonces, here it waits. Él espera hasta que esté dormido. It waits until you're sleeping. Espera hasta que. Okay. All right. Okay. We're good now with the vocabulary. Okay. If there are no other questions, then we're going to move to the next part.